I'm a girl who loves
Immigration check done. Grabe, walang tanong for the first time. The only question sinabi sa akin was, so, pupunta ka ng Korea to watch a concert? Sabi ko, yes po. J-Hope, is he BTS? Sabi ko, yes po. So, BTS ARMY ka pala. Sabi ko, opo. Yun lang. Wala nang other questions. As in, nakakaloka. For the first time, ang smooth na na. But hindi naman ako always nagkaka-problem with IO. But this time, ang cute lang. So, my boarding time is 12:55 a.m. The flight departure time is 1:20 a.m. and hopefully we will arrive around 6:55 a.m. sa Incheon later. So, after arrival, diretso na ako sa Airbnb. I'll drop the things, get ready, and go head straight to Kintex for the Fiesta celebration and J-Hope's concert. So, literal na buong araw, ako bukas, dapat dilat na dilat from arrival to concert. So, good luck talaga sa katawang lupa ko. I really hope na makatulog ako ngayon sa flight. We just landed at Incheon International Airport around 6:55 a.m. So very on time. Yung arrival namin. And the good thing is, it was a really good flight. Hindi masyadong maalog as I was expecting. So, hello Incheon, I miss you. Ngayon ko lang nakita to. Yan na lang. So, tayo mga hindi taga dito, pipila tayo sa regular immigration. So, ito na. Bawal. So, I'll just grab my bag, my luggage. Tapos, ika-claim natin yung pocket wifi na binuko ko. And then, mag-withdraw tayo ng cash. Then, we'll eat. Yun na lang gawin ko para pagdating sa Airbnb mamaya, may strength tayo magbuhat ng mga baggage. Kasi nasa 4th floor. Tayo.